Okay, here we have a nice carbon steel butcher knife or 7-inch boning knife, depending on what you want to call it, from the brand TOMBRO, T-O-M-B-R-O. So like I mentioned, it's carbon steel, it's 7 inches. Let's take a look at it, and a little later I'll actually use it to cut something up for you guys. So TOMBRO has several different knives on Amazon, about 8 different models at least, and this one is a great option for cutting up meat. You see them used a lot if you do different smoking, pulled pork shoulder, kind of anything out on the grill. This is a great knife to use for that. So you can see it's very sharp. I'm not going to touch the blade. I've done that before, cut myself on it. So you've got a carbon steel. So the only thing you got to remember with that is make sure you keep it dry, right? So when you're done using it, wipe it off, keep it dry because it will rust. You can see here, full tang design. So that's nice when it comes to the durability and strength of a knife. For those who don't know, basically it just means the metal of the knife blade is all the way through the handle, right? So that you can see it's full tang all the way through, and then the handle's just kind of over the top of it. So that's a great way to give it more stability and more strength, right? So if you're cutting bones especially, that can be important. Really nice balance to it, especially with the little finger hole here. And then it does come with this nice sheath so that you can actually have it on your belt if you are to be, using it outside in a camping or hunting type situation. So again, very sharp, 15-degree double bevel on the blade. That's part of the reason why it's so sharp, and full tang design. So brand is TOMBRO, T-O-M-B-R-O. Let's try to give you a good look at it here. Okay, so I will do another video where we use it to chop up some vegetables probably, because that's what I have handy, and I'll merge those two together. So 7-inch TOMBRO boning knife with the finger hole right there and the sheath. All right, got this nice knife here from TOMBRO, T-O-M-B-R-O. Just gonna chop some vegetables with it quick. I don't have any animal bones handy to cut. Otherwise, I would try to show you guys that. But I always have some vegetables handy. So I'm gonna go ahead and just show you this at work. So I imagine, yeah, it cuts through this no problem. Like, it actually feels like it's cutting into the cutting board. So you can kind of, how you can feel it grab the plastic kind of when you have a really sharp knife. Definitely what I'm feeling there, same with this. So definitely a very, very sharp knife like you'd expect. And definitely capable of, you can really cut thin if you want to. And I'm sure it is capable, just looking at the thickness of it and the fact that it's full tang, you're not going to have any problems cutting through most anything if you can put the force to it. The blade is not breaking. So again, TOMBRO, again, full tang, super sharp, carbon steel. Make sure you dry it off really good each time, because this will rust. So it's not stainless steel, it's carbon steel. So just make sure it's really good and dry before you put it back in that sheath. And this one does come with a nice sheath, so if you are going to use it in the field, if you're a hunter, a camper, that kind of thing, got a nice belt loop on here, nice sheath for it. All right, so TOMBRO is the brand. They make some other nice knives too. Check them out on Amazon.